In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh pivot table in Google Sheets. Let's start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and go to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped app launcher. From the menu, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet that contains your pivot table. Here's a common situation. You add a new column to your source data, maybe a new category or metric, and expect your pivot table to pick it up automatically. In many cases, it won't, because the pivot table is locked to the original data range you selected when you created it. That's why we need to refresh it by updating the range and then adding the new field to the pivot. Go to your pivot table. Just below it, hover your mouse over the small pencil icon and click Edit. This opens the pivot table editor on the right side of your screen. Look for the data range field. This is the range your pivot table is currently using. To update it, click the small square selector icon at the end of the data range box. Your screen will jump into range selection mode. Now switch to the tab or sheet that holds your source data. Carefully highlight the entire data area you want the pivot table to use, including the headers and the new column you added. Make sure the selection covers all rows you want summarized. When you're happy with your selection, click OK to confirm and return to the pivot table editor. Your pivot table now knows about the expanded range, but it still won't show the new column until you tell the pivot how to use it. In the editor, find the section labeled Columns. Click Add, then choose the header name of the new column you just added. As soon as you select it, the pivot will recalculate and display your data broken out by that new column. If your new column is meant to categorize the data, adding it under columns is perfect. If it represents numbers to be summarized, remember that those typically belong under values. But for this workflow, we're focusing on columns as shown. A quick tip to prevent future headaches. When possible, keep your headers consistent and include them in the first row of your range. If you frequently add columns, consider expanding the data range generously so new fields are included when you refresh. That's it. Your pivot table is refreshed and reflecting your latest data. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.